Assalamualaikum and a very good evening everyone. So as usual, I will do the weekly analysis for a few pair that I already chosen and update the previous one that we already discussed. So we will start with Euros HF. If you see right here, our entry point just missed out a few pips, only by a few pips, about four pips like that, before it went down about 90 pips. So we don't have a trade here, but if I see the configuration of the price action in H4, I am expecting price will go up to here. Okay, so we need to make our zone a little bit bigger. Actually, I will be going for this swap zone, but the zone might be too big, so let's just put it here. Okay, so we make it a little bit higher at this drop-based drop, and let it went up and went down. Okay, so that's it for Euro CHF. And for USD CHF, we also missed a trade just about 14 pips. Okay, but if you see the price action, you should have catch it. Okay, previously I would like to give an entry inside this zone, but I am not saying the price action at that moment as it to be favorable for us to have an entry. But during the weeks, okay, it has shows consolidation at this level. This is an SNR level, and the price action looks really good. So I did have a trade here, but for our analysis, we missed just by a few pips. Okay, so I updated my entry at my Instagram stories, so you can follow me at Hanzo Shadowcodes. Okay, so for USD CHF, what we going to wait for next is retracement, because it's already broken this channel. So I am expecting somewhere inside here. Okay, but we will leave the gold zone, because this is the price action zone, and this is just our add position. Price can still go up to this gold zone, but we will mark an add position inside here. Okay, so the zone would be about 50 pips. Okay, so we just wait here. Alright, so that's it for USD CHF. And for NZD/JPY, price already went inside our zone, but I can suggest to you to wait just let it be somewhere around this channel. Okay, it can still give you a few pips. Okay, about 100 pips like that. Just wait patiently, just around this level, about 20 pips or 10 pips, 10 to 20 pips around here. Okay, so that's it for NZD/JPY. And GBP NZD, price hit our stop loss. Okay, just above this zone, and went down about 300 pips. Okay, so we lost about 300, and it went down about 300 after hit our stop loss. Okay, so can this zone be our can still be our entry zone? So you need to wait for a pattern to form, or at least need to wait for it to break over here. Okay, when it's broken, then we can have an entry here. So for now, for GBP NZD, you just let it be. Okay, just stay out of it. Alright, and for Euro USD, on daily, it's also break our zone about 50 pips. And if you can see on a weekly, on a weekly chart, you can still see that Euro USD is still respecting some zone inside the pattern. Okay, so I am drawing it just a little bit bigger, just around there. Okay, maybe make it lower. Okay, so to make it more clear, we can go to the lower time frame, and we can see over here we got a zone. Okay, so maybe somewhere around there, or can also mark this place. This is a base. Alright, so that would be our new zone to catch the trade. Okay, and it might react with the weekly channel. Alright, so for GBP CHF, I think this is the only success trade that we have other than USD CHF. Okay, GBP CHF, I also share my buy position in my Instagram stories at Hanzo Shadowcodes. So I already picked something at M15. You can see that I have a trade inside. I have a trade inside this QM level and went up. Okay, I might share the post analysis at my Facebook channel, Facebook page, so you can watch it there. So we already banks about from here to about 200 pips, and the maximum it goes up to 380 pips. Okay, so right now, whoever got the buy position, you just hold your position up to this level. Okay, up to this zone, and once it reach this zone, don't go for sell, but wait for a price action to form. Alright, so right now GBP CHF is still in the process to go to the selected zone. Okay, and lastly for USD JPY, price already reacted with this this daily base, and if we look at H4, it's do some configuration like it want to go up. Alright, so right now we can see here. Okay, maybe we can have a position over here. Okay, and it might be went up. Okay, maybe we can go to make the zone bigger, and we can delete this zone for a moment. Okay, and expecting somewhere around here. Okay, so that's it for our USD JPY, and that will conclude our weekly analysis. Okay, so if you have benefit from my sharing, you can share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a lot of profit this week. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum.